Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm gonna do an easy repair on uneven toilet on tile floor, ceramic tile floor. Now this is an easy fix. And we're gonna pretend, or we're gonna assume that you don't have any leaks through the bottom. The wax is good and everything is just uneven. It moves like that. See how it moves? Okay, we don't want that. So we want tight, because every time you sit it will move, and that will create the wax to break up sooner than later and do the damage. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen the bolts that we have on both sides. Okay, I got them loose already. Why am I doing this? Just to make sure where gravity wants the toilet to be sit. So this is where the gravity is pulling. This is the way the normal stage. So the not normal stage is right there on the back, because it's moving, and probably on the side. So like I said again, this is an easy fix. We're gonna put this plastic shims. Do not use wood, because the wood, it gets rotten and eventually you're gonna have the same problem. But these shims, they're pretty good, and they're used to level bowls, to level these toilets. This is especially made for that. So I'm gonna grab one, and you can see how it's shaped. All right, so what you do is you stick it in on the back where the uneven part is at. Okay, see that? Now it's not moving. I'm trying to move and it's not moving. It's it. Just that one made the whole thing good. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna just put a little bit more pressure, just a little bit more. You don't need that much. We gotta make sure that these little stripes in here, it goes facing up, and I'm gonna tell you what later. So I had to pull it out, and I'm gonna pull it back in. Okay, so right there, got pressure, and the toilet don't seem to be moving more. It seems like if it in the front, I'm just gonna put another one, because it's moving this way. Right there. Yeah. So now it's not moving at all. So I put two shims, guys. One towards the front and one towards the back. Now it's not moving at all. All right. Am I gonna leave that like that? No. I'm gonna show you how to cut it. Okay. You can cut it with a knife or whatever. So now that we have the toilet level, it's time to tighten the bolts. Do it by hand first, and then tighten them up. Remember, guys, or I don't know if you know, but you cannot over tighten them. Just tighten them strong. You cannot over tighten them for two reasons. One, the metal on the bottom, on the inside, is not that strong as you might think. And another one is that you might break the ceramic of the toilet. So just tighten them up move it to the sides, and if it doesn't move, you got it just right. You cannot overdo it, right? All right, so I got this. As you can see, it doesn't move anymore. It's pretty steady. Now it's time to cut the shims. You can use a variety of things. You can use a knife and cut it, and you can use a screwdriver with a hammer. Right now, I'm using a power tool. And like I say, if you don't have a power tool, of course, you can use that. So I cut it, and I'm gonna stick it in a little bit more. That one, it wasn't cut properly. I'm gonna take the piece out. Okay. All right, so I got this one cut. I'm gonna cut the other one. Now the only thing we got left to do is put silicone all the way around, and we'll get it done. We'll get it done, guys. These are the shims. Don't forget, man. SKU number is 100055-093, and your level. All right. If you like this video, how easy it was, just make sure you bring the thumb up and turn on the bell for notifications.